In this video, I'm challenging myself to study for 10 hours.
So exhausted.
But we have no option right now.
Hi cuties, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angel and in today's video we are going to be attempting the 10-hour study challenge. I have my maths Preboard tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be able to complete 10 hours today, but it's worth a try. So let's get started, shall we?
I'm done with 2 hours and 2 minutes of studying. I'm done with 3 chapters of calculus, which leaves me with one other chapter. So I'll go have breakfast now because it is 10:50 already. So I'll start after breakfast. I'm done with 2 hours and 43 minutes, and I'm done with the entire calculus unit, which was the highest weightage chapters. So I'll have to go cook lunch right now. Post that, I will do probability.
Take a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown with our best friends who can boogie.
I studied for 2 hours straight, and you guys know how my focus is not at the peak during after 1 hour, and I'm so tired, so exhausted right now. I'm done with 90 out of the 134 CFT questions. It is currently 4:38. I'll take a short nap till 5:20 or so, and then I'll continue. So exhausted, but we are at 4.5 hour mark, and we have, oh my god, my brain is not processing. We have 5.5 hours more to complete this challenge. Hopefully we are able to do it. So I'll see you guys after the nap. Bye. It is 5:20 right now, and I came down to make some coffee because it is so cold in Bangalore. The weather is just so cold, like my body is literally shivering, and the weather makes me want to sleep. Like, I don't feel like studying in this weather. So I'll make some coffee because I cannot function without coffee right now, especially. So I'll make some coffee and we'll get back to studying. it is currently 11:15 and we have officially crossed the 10-hour mark. We are done with the 10-hour study challenge. I honestly didn't think I would be able to do this, but I ended up doing it. I think the only thing that pushed me more was because I wanted to record it and show all of you that it is possible as long as you push yourself to do it. So I'll just pack my bags now for tomorrow.
That's the end of this video, guys, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep studying, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.